Hello class, I hope you are enjoying your spring break. I can't wait to see you guys next week. But here's an intro into how to complete your spring break visual study activity. During your spring break, you are to log on to BrainPop via your phone or computer and watch the clips listed below. After watching each clip, take the quiz. You must achieve at least a 7 out of 10 on your quiz. Once you've received at least a 7 out of 10, email me your scores. My email address is listed right here. It is jbillups2@rvaschools.net. Completion of this assignment is mandatory and will be counted as a quiz grade upon your return. Keep this document as a means to check off the videos you've watched and return this form when you return from spring break. Your login credentials for BrainPop are BGE and BGE for the username and password. In a moment, I'll take you to BrainPop so we can see how to log on to it. You have 15 videos that you have to watch. If you look at the box below, it has the name of the video, Agricultural Revolution, for example, and your score. Remember, you can't put your score in unless you get at least a 7 out of 10. We have Agricultural Revolution, Geography themes, Latitude and Longitude, the Sumerians, the Great Wall of China, the Silk Road, Athens, Democracy, the Greek Gods, Homer, the Roman Republic, the Rise of the Roman Empire, Pax Romana, the Fall of the Roman Empire, and Feudalism. Now let's go to BrainPop and see how to log in this information. In your URL bar, type in www.brainpop.com. When you get to the BrainPop screen, on the top right-hand corner, it'll say Log In. If you remember from the sheet, our username is BGE, and our password is also BGE. You will successfully log in to the program. If you look in the top right corner, it says Search BrainPop. All you have to do is put in the title of the video you want to find. Let's go back to our list. Let's see, which one would we like to do first? Let's look at Pax Romana. So go back to BrainPop and type in the search bar Pax Romana. And as you see, as you're typing it in, it'll pop up for you at the bottom. And here we are. Just click on the search result. Here is the BrainPop video on the left. It shows you how long the video will be. And on the right, you have some options that you have. The only option we're concerned about is the quiz. Now, after you watch your video, click on the quiz button. You can review the quiz, or you could take the graded part. We are going to take the graded part. Let's just answer some random questions just to see the process. Each quiz has 10 questions. Now the goal was to get a 7 out of 10. Clearly, I did not get a 7 out of 10, but now you're aware of where it will show you your score. Let's say, for example, we did get a 7 out of 10 on this quiz. You will then go to email your results. Your name is Tori Baker. This is where you'll type the email address. If you forget, remember the email address is on your form right here. jbillups2@rvaschools.net. So let's type that in. Then press OK. I will then have received your results, and you will receive credit for completing that video. Remember, completion of all 15 videos is paramount to you passing this assignment and receiving a quiz grade. It is very important that you complete these videos because success on the SOL is counting on it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your spring break. I can't wait to see you next week. Take care.